The core developers of Ethereum are working on the much anticipated software upgrade of the Ethereum blockchain. 15th of September so far is the likely official date of the merge. Based on the Ethereum, the merge countdown, the Ethereum merge is now 96.55% done. The hash rate of the Ethereum network has dropped below 900 terahash and is now around 885.23 terahash. Most likely the merge will happen on 15th of September if the hash rate stays around 879 terahash. Now, of course, we all are hoping that this upgrade finally happens, which will make the network much more energy efficient. However, we can still expect that the actual date of the merge could change, since it will likely be impacted by any large swings in the amount of support Ethereum has to order transactions. In an emergency, if support drops off, developers can move the merge forward ahead of schedule, hopefully not. So what is the merge? It's a software upgrade that has been in the works for years by now, and it will change the way Ethereum orders transactions. So instead of using energy guzzling computers called miners, the network will deploy so-called validators using staked Ether tokens. Now, this setup is called proof of stake. In this much anticipated event, the mainnet is set to merge with Beacon Chain. It will transition Ethereum to POS, proof of stake, automatically with no downtime in the blockchain. Ethereum or Ether, the native cryptocurrency of the blockchain, is trading at around $1,629 at filming time. The token has surged about 70% since it tumbled in the middle of June. However, it was trading at a record of almost 4,900 back in November of 2021. Now, once the merge happens, Ethereum will be secured by validators like Ethereum token holders. The merge from proof of work to proof of stake will make Ethereum 99% more energy efficient than its proof of work predecessor. After the merge, stakers will also earn transaction fees generated from the network, which will raise the APY when staking Ethereum. Now, according to conservative and optimistic staking APY estimates, it ranges somewhere between 7.2% to 68.7% respectively. So what shall you expect from Ethereum from the perspective of security and privacy after this merge happens? As the event gets closer, one of the most important things that will ascertain its success is how safe the blockchain is under a proof of stake or POS system. As for experts, which I'm quite in agreement with, Ethereum's proof of stake chain will keep the network secure for a lot less money. Also, in the older system, that is proof of work or POW system, it takes one miner controlling more than 50% of the network to fake cryptocurrencies. Now, even then, mining takes a lot of time and money and resources because it needs a lot of electricity and hardware. This makes it very, very hard to take the control back of the network in case of this type of attack. Other network nodes can find about this kind of attack and possibly fork away from the bad miners. This adds a layer of social consensus that makes it nearly impossible to attack a more mature proof of work system just like Bitcoin's. In the same way, in proof of stake systems, validators who are like miners in proof of work system are randomly assigned to produce blocks based on how many tokens they own while they are checking transactions on the blockchain. In the same way that miners on proof of work systems have to use a lot of electricity to attack the system, POS validators or proof of stake validators have crypto assets at risk if an attacker doesn't control at least 51% of the blockchain's staking tokens at least 51% of the network's nodes at the same time. It is very unlikely that their attack will work. If someone does something bad, their stake will be cut, which is why POS system is resistant to 51% attacks and other high-risk situations, because Ethereum's native token, Ether or ETH, is considered as well distributed across an ecosystem of different stakeholders, users, developers, investors, enthusiasts, and much, much more. When there are a lot of different economic agents with different perspectives, goals, and agendas in a free market, whether it is a traditional financial market or an emerging decentralized ecosystem, it becomes quite exponentially harder to attack and control the network. This is the beauty of the transformation that the Ethereum's blockchain is going to go through. So what factor out of the merge would trigger Ethereum's price surge? After this event happens successfully, Ethereum will become a deflationary asset. Therefore, investors can expect a true rally only after the completion of the surge, verge, purge, and splurge phases. But until the transformation actually happens, Ethereum's price will remain volatile, giving you plenty of opportunities to buy Ethereum at a very good entry point. Do leave me a comment and let me know what are you expecting out of transformation of Ethereum's consensus system, from proof of work to proof of stake.